Okay, I do see that with the 12 Wands energy, this is you. Parang medyo malalim yung iniisip mo. No? Maybe you're thinking here of a decision, and this decision right here is parang sigurado ka na dyan. Parang napag-isipan mo na yan 100 times. Alam mo yon yung parang ikaw to na, that you're talking here to yourself na no matter what happen, gagawin ko ito. Yan, ano bang ibig mong sabihin dyan? Oh, look at that. You're in love. I think you're in love. And this is you. Okay, this looks like a pregnant to me, no? So I do see that this is you. You want here a new beginning when it comes to your love life. So maybe this is you. You could be single right now and you could be eyeing someone specific here, or this is you. Okay. You are having this lots of thoughts, no? Na magkaroon ng isang magandang connection, mas malalim na connection with someone. Medyo seryoso yung energy ninyo, no? So, tingnan natin. And you're keeping it to yourself, pero nakuha natin. Minsan, tinatago ko nga yan. Ayoko nga yan masyadong pag-usapan para nga kasi hindi ma-jinx. Ba't nakuha mo pa yan? Eh, nakuha natin dito kasi malakas yung energy ninyo, no? Pero mali nyo naman, makakuha tayo dito ng sagot, no? Para dyan sa situations ninyo. No? Basta, shh, wag lang kayong magsabi sa iba. Yan, no? Atin-atin lang to. Okay? Your secret is safe with me. Para namang alam ko yung mga pangalan ninyong lahat kayo, no, mga babes, no? Para ipagkalat ko to. Naku, hindi ako ganun. Okay. Nice. Baka mga anak ko nga talaga kayo, ano? Parang namana ninyo yung ugali ko dito. So, let me just lay all the energies first on the table before we start digging in. But, yeah, I do see na isa itong kakatuwang reading, no? So, we have here the Ace of Cups. And yeah, look at that. Right at the center of this reading is the Two of Cups energy. Double! Wow. Okay. Okay. Let me just fix my phone. Give me a sec. Okay, there you go. So yun nga mga waves, no? Wala tayo ditong gender. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. And of course, no, hi and hello pala sa mga new subscribers. Ako po si Ian, welcome tuloy. At sa mga returning viewers and subscribers na walang sakang sumusuporta sa akin since day 1 ko sa YT, maraming salamat. At kahit nung hindi pa ako nagsistart sa YT, tas sinundan ako no, dito, thank you so much everyone. So yun mga babes, no, wala tayo dito na time period. So, pwedeng ito ay nangyari na or tapos na. Pwede naman nangyayari sa kasalukuyan at pwedeng not yet, no? At posibleng mangyari pa lang in the future. So, kung hindi niyo pa po alam, meron pa po tayong isa pang channel. Ang link po niyan is nasa ating description box. So, let's go ahead and discuss right here, no? So, yeah, I do see that this is you, no? A lot of determination is flowing into your veins right here, no? So whatever the case may be, this is you with Ace of Wands energy, Page of Pentacles right here, Six of Cups, top energy, at ang main goal ninyo, heart of the reading is the Two of Cups energy. What does that mean, Miss Yan? This is you. You are having this lots of passion. Okay, the energy of love is flowing sa inyong mga ugat, no? Someone here, in love kayo sa kanya, no? Ito kayo. O, sige, aantayin ko 'tong person na 'to. Wala naman akong iniintay na iba, eh, ano. Siyempre mga babes, 'di ba? Kung this is you, sigurado ka naman sa isang person na 'yan, 'no, bakit mo naman mapapalitan yung person na 'yan, 'di ba? So this is you, 'no, you're willing to wait for this person here. However, ikaw ito na parang sinasabi mo, "Pero 'pag natagalan ako or hindi niya ako pinurso, ako na mismo ang magpupurso sa kanya." Yung totoo, namana niyo ba yan sa'kin mga babes, 'no? I'm a Taurian energy, pero ang aking moon sign is Aries, 'no? So, meron talaga akong energy na, um, ako yung gumagawa ng actions, 'no? So, yan mga babes, 'no? So, I do see that this is you. You wanna be pursued by this person here. But however, 'pag nainip kayo, 'no, kayo na mismo yung magpu-pursue sa kanya, 'no? So, yeah, okay mga babes, 'no? It's okay for you to do that as long as, okay, this person here will treat you well. Okay? So, I do see, okay, na this is you, you are so in love with this person here. Okay? It's okay for me, no, na i-pursue niyo yung person na yan, no? Basta kung alam niyo naman na yung tao na yan is, um, hindi kayo sasaktan, no? In any way possible, okay? Alam ko hindi tayo magkakilala dito, mga babes, no? Pero kasi I just hate it, no? When someone gets hurt when it comes to love. Like Shiro, ayoko lang talaga, no? Na nakakakita dito ng nasasaktan when it comes to love, no? So, okay, I'm very proud of you right here, no? Because this is you. Okay, ba't ko na-mention yung parang namana niyo yun sa akin rito, na parang ako yung nanay niyo, ano? Kasi for me, we only live once and not everybody remembered the life, no? Kahit na ma-reincarnate pa kayo, no, sa mga susunod pa ninyo magiging lifetime, no? It is very rare that you remember what you did, okay, sa inyong mga nakaraang past lives, no? So, now that you are living, okay, and you're breathing, okay, you have every chances in the world, okay? And you only live once, 'di ba? Basta ang sa'kin, okay, try, 'di ba? So, hindi mo malalaman kung ano yung magiging isang sitwasyon or magiging kalabasan ng isang bagay kung hindi mo ita-try, okay? Do not be afraid to try, okay? Kung gusto niyo sabihin yung feelings and emotions niyo sa kanya, then do that. Kung gusto niyo siyang i-pursue, then do that, no? And if you fail, eh, at least you've tried. Eh, huwag kayong matakot, no? We only live once, okay? So, whatever the case may be, at least you've tried. At ayoko dito na parang one day, no, you will sit down sa isang bench and then this is you. Ay, sana ginawa ko pala tong mga bagay na to. Sana nagawa ko pala tong sabihin sa kanya. Kung sinabi ko ba to sa kanya, ayoko yung nagaganon kayo, no? Yung parang, what if sinabi ko sa kanya yung feelings ko? May magbabago ba sa sitwasyon ko ngayon? Magiging kami ba, blah, 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 no? So, see, okay, I do not want you to regret the things that you haven't tried, diba? So, yun yung point ko dito, no? Hindi lang about love ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, no? Every opportunity that pops out in your life, no? And if you want and you feel that you want to grab it, then grab that opportunity. Don't waste your time. Okay? Hindi lang ito about love, no? The determination, no, na minana nyo sa akin, ay gamitin ninyo, no, sa lahat ng areas ng inyong life, no? So, okay, it's okay for me as long as you're okay, no? And as long as this person here will treat you well for life. Diba? So, dito nakikita ko, no, that your main goal is this Two of Cups energy. Gusto ninyo maging ka-in relationship yung person na yan. This is you. You are only available for this person here. Tama ka, no? Hindi mo naman pwedeng ipilit yung sarili mo na magkagusto ng ibang person kung siya naman talaga yung gusto mo. And ikaw to, no, na meron ka ditong very firm at very strict na decision, no, na iintayin mo siya rito, no, na ma-fall in love sa'yo, pero pag wala pa rin siya ritong ginagawa, ikaw na mismo yung kikilos, mag-i-initiate ng actions, no, kahit hindi yan obvious or obvious man yan, kinikita ko dito that you will definitely do some kind of actions, no, regarding the situation here, no. And with this Ace of Cups energy, Ace of Wands, this is an indication that you really want to have this very passionate connection, romantic relationship with this person here. So, nakita ko dito, punong-puno ka dito ng confidence, ng determination, and this is you, ito na yung mismong decision mo. Okay? Two, okay? To be firm into this type of decision na ipupurso ko tong person na to no matter what happen. Yan. Dito, natuwa ako, no, with the devil energy and there's this Ace of Cups, Two of Cups, na Seven of Wands. This is you, no, gagawin mo yung lahat, no, para mapansin ka niya at hindi dito makalapit yung iba. Yan, no. So, maaaring kayo to, no, na sige, parang gagwardyahan nyo siya, no, yung parang tipong, alam niyo yan, mga babes, no, napapaligiran na kita. Pero mag-isa ka lang, no? So, nakikita ka dito that you will do every effort just to win this person's heart. At alam naman natin na hindi magiging madali ito, no? Alam naman natin na pag player ang kadil ninyo, madali nyo lang siyang masusungkit, no? Pero this one, hindi siya player. So, kaya nga sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, no? It's okay for me to pursue ninyo itong person na to as long as this is someone here, no, na mabuting tao at may magandang intention, no, sa inyo, no. Pero yun nga, hindi nagiging malinaw rito, no, kung gusto niya rin kayo, no. So, this is you na parang cloudy ang iyo ritong thoughts, no, sa feelings and emotions towards sa'yo, nitong person na to, no. But you're really curious to know. Okay? At alam naman natin, lahat ng pinagtsatsagaan at effort na binibigay ay nagbubunga. Diba? So, nakita ko dito, no, na pag may, ano yun, may nilaga, diba? Hindi ko sabihan na yun, mga babes, no? Yung mga ganyan. So, parang kayo to, no, nakikita ko dito na you will definitely try to pursue this person here. Okay? At ipupurso niyo siya ng ipupurso rito, no? Kahit pa makulitan pa siya rito sa inyo. So, this is you. You will guard this person here with other people, no? Na gusto rito na pumasok sa kanyang life. No? Tsaka dito, nakakaloka, no? Kasi may nakuha ko rito mensahe, no? Coming from you guys, that with this Two of Cups energy, Three of Wands, and there's this Knight of Cups energy, no? I do see that this is you, no? Na parang pag binigyan ka niya rito ng chance, no? Gagawa kayo ng sarili niyong mundo. Anong mundo yan, babe, 'no? So, parang kayo 'to na meron kayong pinapahiwatig dito sa akin, 'no, na parang this is you, you wanna create your own world, no, personalized na para sa inyong dalawa lang, no. So, ang interpretasyon ko sa ibig ninyong sabihin do'n, no, medyo may pagka-idiomatic expression yung mga babes, no, gagawa kayo ng sarili ninyong mundo, no. So, nakita ko rito na parang ipaparamdam mo sa kanya, no, yung klase ng energy na do'n sa mundo ninyo, kayong dalawa lang, no. So, ibig sabihin nun na walang ibang isasali, walang iba rito na parang magiging dahilan, 'no, na manggugulo sa inyong koneksyon, 'no, at ibibigay niyo sa kanya, 'no, yung klase ng pagmamahal at atensyon, 'no, na nararapat, 'no, na deserve niya. So, yung nakikita ko dito, parang bubusugin niyo siya dun sa pagmamahal, dun sa mundo na sinasabi ninyo na ike-create ninyo together with this person. Parang pagbibigyan mo ako ng chance, eto ako, gagawa ko ng sariling mundo nating dalawa. Hmm. So, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no matter what happen, meron na kayo ritong plano kahit yung plano ninyo ay hindi pa kayo gano'n kasigurado, no? Kung yan man ay magwo-work na. Pero dito, marami kayong inihanda rito ng mga plano at mag-iisip pa kayo rito ng mga plano na isasagawa ninyo. So, talagang a lot of determination, no? Kaliwa, kanan, likod, harap, taas, baba, no? Punong-puno ang energy nyo rito, no? Na i-pursue tong person na to na parang kayo sinasabi nyo to, no? Na neck ko, yan, 'no, ibig sabihin nun, akin ka, you know, you are mine, yan mga babes, wow. So, I do see that whoever this individual is, this person here is so lucky to have someone like you. But this is you, you are really telling me that this is a very, very nice person. That's why you want him or her. Okay? Nothing less, no? You want this person here as your partner. Okay? Kumbaga parang siya yung nakikitaan mo na sincerest of them all, no? Na parang you are someone here that you've met someone almost perfect at parang hindi mo siya rito mahanapan at makitaan na parang may kulang sa kanya or whatever. This is where you're seeing this person here, someone perfect, no? So, I do see na parang ikaw 'to, na lahat ng kailangan mo 'no, sa isang relationship is kaya niyang ibigay sa'yo. So, ikaw ito 'no, na ikaw din 'no, ibibigay mo rin sa kanya lahat ng pangangailangan niya 'no, hindi lamang sa loob ng relationship na 'to 'no, kundi sa mundo na sinasabi mo 'no, na gusto ninyong i-create kasama itong person na 'to. So, no wonder na parang kayo ito 'no, na halos parang baliw, no? With the double energy na because of this person here. Almost perfect, no? Almost perfect. That's how you describe this person to me. Okay? So I do see that this is someone here, no, na patuloy ninyo siyang iintayin, pero parang kayo 'to na naglalagay ng deadline or ng schedule 'no, na parang nililimit ninyo. 'Pag medyo mabagal pa rin ang kanya diyan na paggalaw, miss yan, ako na yung mag-i-initiate diyan, yan 'no. Parang itabi mo, miss yan, ako na. Ikaw naman talaga, person mo yan, 'no, ano ako pa gagawa ng paraan 'no, kamote ka. So yun nga mga babes 'no, nakita ko dito na kung sino man 'tong energy na 'to 'no, this is a very lucky person here to have someone na na ganyan kadeterminado na i-pursue siya 'no. And also you are telling me that you are very lucky 'no, kung magiging sa'yo siya. Because this person here, okey, sinasabi mo sa'kin na parang 'pag naging akin na siya, miss yan, sobrang kontento na ako. Wala na akong hihilingin pa. Gano'n, may gano'n. Eh di bahala kayo. Basta ako dito lang 'no, sa tabi na magche-cheer sa inyo. Fighting 'no? So whatever the case may be, yeah, I love your determination right here 'no. Try babe 'no, give it a try. Because this is something here I know important to you. Okay? And this person here, you don't wanna slip this opportunity, no, away. So I'm seeing you right here diving into this type of, alam mo yon, no, opportunity, no, na no matter what happen, I'm gonna pursue this person here because wala naman akong ibang gusto. Siya lang yung gusto ko. So, siya lang yung ipupurso ko. Yeah. Alam mo, ang laki mo na talaga. Parang noon, kinakantahan pa kita, kinakarga kita, 'no, nanay. So yun nga 'no, ang laki mo na talaga, like I mean you are really matured now, because you already know what you want. You are someone here na sigurado, sigurado sa mga desisyon mo, 'no. So nakita ko na talagang walang ibang laman yung isip mo at walang ibang laman yung puso mo kundi ang taong ito. So tama ka, bakit ka magpupursue ng ibang tao kung ang taong 'to ang talagang gusto mo. Hmm. Hindi ko kita kinokonsente mga babes, no? But this is you. I love your determination because this is you. You're just following here your heart. You're doing that YOLO. Okay, alam niyo yung mga YOLO, no? You only live once, no? That's why, give it a try, no? Everything that pumasok dito sa inyong mind, no? Na alam niyo naman mga babes, no? Na something na magiging fulfilling para sa inyo, then do it, no? Don't hesitate to do it. Yan. So I'm gonna cheer right here, no? Sa side, okay? And I'm gonna watch you grow more mature, no? So into this type of situation here, we have this Six of Wands energy, Eight of Wands, and there's this Knight of Cups. Six of Wands energy, okay? This is all about your success. But it's not something here na, boom, no, magiging successful agad-agad, no. But we've got the Six of Wands energy in a bright position, and this is already a good news, no. It looks like the angels and guides right here, no, are telling you to, yeah, pursue this person here, okay? But be patient. We're gonna give you that person okay, sa tamang oras at panahon. Because we've got the Six of Wands energy. This is already guaranteed para sa inyo guys, no? Na magiging successful tong ginagawa ninyo. However, this might take time. Okay? But as you can see, no, nakita ko rito na it's okay for you to wait for this person. Okay? Okay? Because this is the only person you want to enter your life, no? So, I do see na hindi magiging problema rito, no? Yung time na sinasabi ni universe here. As long as this is you, you have this belief in your thoughts that this person is mine and she will or he will always be mine. Yan. Wow. No? So yeah, these are all the messages we got right here for you, honey. Thank you so much for your time here. Muli ako po si Yana, yung psychic medium. Sarang love and light. And yeah.